In this guide, you will learn how to web scrape products from the Bath & Body Works website and any other e-commerce website that has a load more button. Begin by downloading and registering your free account with Parsa. Bath & Body Works LLC was founded in 1990 in Ohio as a soap, candle, fragrance, lotion, and gift retail store. The company now owns over 1,900 stores around the world. They also have an e-commerce presence as well, which we will be scraping products from. With this tutorial, you will also be able to scrape other bath, body, and beauty product websites. Since this website has a load more button rather than a next page button, you will also learn how to use Parsub to scrape e-commerce pages that have a load more button. Let's begin scraping products. Step 1. Project Setup. Firstly, open Parsub and log in. Click New Project to start a new project. Enter the Bath & Body Works URL you wish to scrape from. We will scrape all candles with this URL. Hold Shift and click the plus button next to your page selection and choose Extract. Rename this extract to Listing Value. In the contents, simply put a 0. This will be needed later. Step 2. Selecting products. Begin by clicking the plus button next to your page selection and choose Select. Hover over the first product's container and click and hold Ctrl or Command 1 until the whole div is outlined. Redo this step for the next product's container to train the algorithm. Rename the selection to Product on the left. Expand it and delete the name extraction. Step 3. Additional product details. Firstly, click the list icon next to your product selection to see the new entries command. Click the plus icon next to it and choose Relative Select. Click the first product container and then its name. Rename the selection on the left to Name. Redo these steps for the description or the price, and you could expand them as well and delete their URLs if you do not need them. Step 4. Removing scraped products. Begin by holding Shift and clicking the plus button next to your product selection. Choose Extract and rename it to Remove. Under the Extract dropdown, choose Delete Element from Page. Click Shift again and click the plus button next to your product selection. Choose Extract again and this time name it Listing Value, just as we did in the setup. In the value, put 1 this time to notify Parsub that we have extracted all the products on this page. Step 5. Pagination. Begin by holding Shift and click the plus button next to the select page. Choose Conditional and in the expression write Listing Value. This will check if it's 1, as in true, and will continue to load the next set of products. Click the plus button next to the conditional and choose Select. Click the Load More button and extract it. Rename it to Pagination. Expand it and delete the extraction. Click the plus button next to your pagination selection and choose Click. Choose Yes, as this is going to a next page technically. Finally, keep the number of pages as 0 to scrape every single product available, and click Repeat Current Template. Step 6. Begin Bath & Body Works scraping. We have now successfully created a conditional variable, extracted all products, removed them to load more products, and set up our project to scrape every single product available. We are now ready to scrape on Parsub servers. Click the green Get Data button on the left pane. You can test, run, or schedule your scrape. We chose Run to scrape every single candle available on the website. Here's what your data should look like. Need help scraping a specific website for free? Contact our live chat support. The link is in the description below. Happy scraping!